Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about all the documents you need to open a Monzo account. Context: now, I know that opening a bank account can be a bit of a hassle, especially if you're not sure what you need to do. But don't worry, I'm here to help you through the process. Promise, in this video, I'll walk you through all the steps you need to take to open a Monzo account, including the documents you'll need to provide. So, if you're ready to get started, let's dive right in. Main body. Introduction to Monzo. Before we get into the documents, let's talk a bit about Monzo itself. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a range of financial products, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. One of the biggest advantages of using Monzo is that you can manage your finances from your smartphone or tablet. Types of Monzo accounts. There are two main types of Monzo accounts: personal accounts and business accounts. Personal accounts are for individuals, while business accounts are for businesses. In this video, we're going to focus on personal accounts. Documents required for a Monzo personal account. Proof of identity. You'll need to provide proof of your identity. This can be done by submitting a copy of your passport, driving license, or national ID card. Proof of address. You'll also need to provide proof of your address. This can be done by submitting a copy of your utility bill, bank statement, or council tax bill. Source of income. If you're self-employed, you'll need to provide proof of your income. This can be done by submitting a copy of your self-assessment tax return or a letter from your accountant. Photo of yourself. You'll also need to submit a photo of yourself. This photo will be used to verify your identity. How to submit your documents. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents, you can submit them online through the Monzo app. Additional tips. Make sure that all of your documents are clear and legible. Submit your documents as soon as possible. Be patient. It can take up to 7 days for your application to be processed. Other things to consider. Fees. Monzo offers a range of fees, including account fees, overdraft fees, and transaction fees. Be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully before opening an account. Customer service. Monzo has a good reputation for customer service. If you have any questions or problems, you can contact them via their website, app, or social media channels. Closing. Summary. In this video, we've covered all the documents you need to open a Monzo account. We've also discussed the different types of Monzo accounts, how to submit your documents, and some other things to consider before opening an account. Call to action. If you're ready to open a Monzo account, I encourage you to do so today. It's a great way to manage your finances and save money. Closing statement. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Thank you for watching.